Hello everyone, this is day 167 of coronavirus quarantine. We got about 24.5 million cases worldwide. Protests are getting higher and higher because of Wisconsin. And two hurricanes, Laura, and I don't quite remember the other one, Marcus or something like that, I don't know, are gonna be hitting the South. And I believe I already got some rain because of that. So, yeah. And those hurricanes are supposed to go up the Mississippi River. Now, I live in northeastern Indiana. So, if it goes up the Mississippi River, I'm gonna get my share of storms. Even though I'm a good 5 or 6 hours at least from the Mississippi River. So, by drive anyway, I don't know. Anyway. Is my Chromebook charged? No, it's not. Are my headphones charged? Yes, they are. I don't really need a tripod if I'm just taking off my headphones. Anyway. Come on. Okay. Isaiah's gonna be moving out here in 2 days. He actually has to start packing like today because he obviously hasn't packed this week yet. Although he needs to because he moves out in 2 days. Yeah, his class will start Monday. I've had classes for like 2 weeks now. 2 weeks. Anyway. Yeah, it's not very light out because of the rain. Because of the 2 hurricanes that are gonna square dance with each other, by the way. I forgot to mention that earlier. They are square dancing hurricanes, everybody. So, if those 2 go up the Mississippi River, which they probably will, I'm really gonna get some storms. Even though I'm a good 5-hour drive or so from the Mississippi River. Anyway, let's see. The lighting's better over here. Lighting is better over here. It's just a wall behind me. Also, there's like a sheet hanging. I better put that up. Even though it's not gonna matter come 2 days from now. I just have to put this up for Isaiah's final 2 nights here before he comes back. Goes back to college. Now, then again, a lot can happen in 2 days, COVID-wise. So, but anyway, I'm here, and you know, I don't know if I've shown you guys this before. But there is what I'm showing you This isn't the easiest thing to film, but it's a corner. It's a corner. Like I said, that is not easy to film. But you can see it's there. Anyway. The rain's coming. You can see that. Which I think you can see pretty well. The rain's coming. It's coming. And I just messed up my hair. I'm gonna put it back down. Let's see. Yeah. Better. What else? What else? What else? Anyway, well, you can see that there's not much stuff over here that's his. Yeah, in fact, almost all of it's mine. But, you know, gotta do that. Okay. Alright. Grabbing the tripod is a bad idea. Anyway. Dish remote we don't use at all. Well, there's the Xbox controller. There's the dish remote. Or that's not the Xbox right there. That's the PlayStation. Isaiah's only going to take one console with him. I don't use either. But whoa. Okay. You guys visually might not be seeing anything because of those lags, but yeah. Also the fact that the speed of light travels faster than the speed of sound. So, yeah. Anyway, there's a car out. I don't think it should be out because of COVID, and we might get some threatening storms because of the square dancing hurricanes that are going to go up the Mississippi River. No, I'm not saying we're going to get like a Category 7 hurricane, but we're going to get something. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. I have got to go now. Bye.